Alright, again, back at the same spot where I would make videos, in my early days. Even I think I started making videos in this room. I remember I had long hairs at the time when I started this challenge, but this challenge is still going on and we are already halfway there. Right, within around 50 days, I will be half, the challenge will be half, 500 days. And yeah, and then the other half maybe I will do in Japan if I get the visa, right? But I'm not optimistic, really optimistic about this. After 1 month we will know about it, and I will share the news with you, don't worry. Okay, and here is 1 liter of water. Oh, you might think, oh, it's not full, buddy. Why are you saying it's 1 liter? Well, I already drank it while I was bringing this bottle from downstairs. Okay, so let me drink some water. I usually drink 1 liter of water every day, for a long period of time, maybe a couple of months. But it's not like that. Before that, I would not drink water. Actually, I would drink water, but not 1 liter. Okay, maybe a glass of water. That's it. Okay, but right now, since I'm taking creatine these days, I have to take water. Okay, at least 3 liters. Sorry. And you know what, my style of drinking water is a little bit weird. Okay, it might seem weird to you guys, because you know what I do, I just fill my mouth with water first. Okay, it doesn't like my whole mouth water, and then I stop, and then I just gulp it down with with small sips. Okay, so this is how this is how exactly I drink water. And I just got up like around 20 minutes ago. And you know what is one thing is wrong happening to me since last 2 nights. Okay, because I'm not able to sleep before 1 or 2, right, p.m. in the morning. I mean a.m. in the morning, right? So I know I can tell last nights, because I have the reason. Because yesterday, after coming back from the classes, I slept. Okay, and so that makes sense why I could not get sleep before 1 or 2. Okay, even though I tried, but I failed. But I'm feeling energetic now. So okay, and I make videos every day before, like these days in the morning, because if I make videos in the morning, then I have a lot of time, and maybe I can switch off my phone and work on my other task. So it cannot be so it will not be a distraction for me. So that is the whole plan. And yeah, it kind of works, right? And maybe after this I will go downstairs, or maybe start just reading, studying meanings, because this is the this is what I'm doing here. Okay, and I will do everything today. This is Saturday, and Saturday is our day off. Our gyms are off, our classes are off. Okay, and this is the day. And you know what I do, what I should be doing, and what I'm gonna do today: no phone, no laptop, just study, focus on study as hard as I can. Okay, I would practice kanji, I would memorize meanings, and just and try to speak in Japanese as well, because that is the main you know that is the main point of studying Japanese, to be able to write and to be able to speak, right? Isn't it? Yeah, it is. And so if I don't practice speaking it, so I would never be able to speak. I would never be able to speak in Japanese fluently. So I'm expecting, like, I have a target by the age 25 I should be fluent at Japanese. So that is my, I mean, like fluent means I can go to any Japanese and just talk with him in Japanese. So that is the goal, okay. And just to be able to talk, and I won't need anyone in my life. I mean like with me to understand any kanji characters, right? And to speak with anybody else, right? So because I'm gonna work hard, yeah, obviously for that. It's not gonna be easy. You have to memorize a new words. You have to familiar with sentence patterns, okay. And that's all. And just a lot of repetition, because repetition is the key. That's what I heard, and I think it's true. The rapper called Lil Wayne. Yeah, one of them. I saw a clip of him saying repetition is the key, and that thing, just stayed in my mind from that point, and I haven't forget that, okay. And I feel, I felt when I watched that particular clip, I felt that okay, yeah, it's really true. Repetition. If you don't repeat that, even like study, we all know repetition is the key, but we haven't just applied it to our work. So I'm gonna be applying that thing on my work soon, okay. Soon means like from today. And yeah, yesterday went went wrong. I mean wrong means yesterday didn't go very well. Like I didn't go to gym, and other thing as well didn't. But I practice my kanjis. Like I have written down some kanjis, maybe 17. Yeah, that is the exact kanji, right? And I practice them a little bit, and I will repeat those kanjis, and plus I will learn 10 new kanjis, okay. That is the target for. And I'm trying to learn you know 10 kanjis every day. So with 30 days I will be able to I'll be able to write 300 kanjis. So that is the goal, by the way, okay. And I will be able to or not be able to, I really don't know, but I have to practice it. So that is my mindset. And yeah, and I'm learning other words. So that's all I have, right? Just I will have to read maybe like 20 minutes a day reading Japanese books. That would be fine, absolutely. Alright, so first let me switch to the next video because the conversation is getting longer and longer. So I want to continue this conversation on my next video channel, okay. You can check it out, you know it, right?